Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share some base graphic settings for your Madden 26 if you have mid-end PC. First of all, just go to the settings on the home screen, select edit settings, and we need to head over to the last tab, which is for graphics. Here you need to select the full screen resolution on 1920 by 1080. Then window mode should be full screen if you have mid-end PC. Then frame rate, you can just either lock this to 30 fps or 60 fps depending on which works better for you. Then VSync should be turned off. Then here you can just set the rendering quality to medium and just try if the game runs smoother or not. If not, then you can just completely disable 3D grass. Then here you can just set the advanced here to something like low. Along with this, you can also reduce the mesh quality to low, or also you can lower the crowd quality, and also you can just completely disable motion blur. Now you can just get back from this, the settings will get applied, and just try to play the match and your game should run smoother. So yeah, these were some base graphic settings which you can try on your mid-end PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.